Welcome to APK YouTube channel, A Tale of Two Paths, Choice and Its Consequences. In a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, lived a young man named Ethan. He was known for his indecisiveness, always pondering the what-ifs and could-bes of life. One sunny morning, as he stood at the crossroads of his village, he was faced with a crucial choice: to follow the well-trodden path that led to a comfortable life, or to venture into the unknown, guided only by an uncharted map and his own instincts. The well-worn path promised a predictable journey, filled with familiar faces and familiar comforts. It was a safe choice, a path that many before him had taken and found contentment. But Ethan, drawn to the allure of the unknown, chose the uncharted path. His journey was filled with challenges and uncertainties. He faced treacherous terrains, encountered wild animals, and endured hunger and thirst. Yet, with each obstacle he overcame, Ethan's confidence grew. He discovered hidden gems, met fascinating people, and learned valuable lessons about himself and the world around him. Years later, as Ethan returned to his village, he was greeted as a hero. His adventures had made him a legend, and his story inspired others to embrace the unknown and pursue their dreams. He had learned that while choice can be daunting, it is also an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. The price of indecision. In the neighboring village lived a young woman named Anya. Unlike Ethan, Anya was paralyzed by indecision. She spent countless hours weighing the pros and cons of every choice, unable to commit to a single path. As a result, she missed out on countless opportunities, her life a stagnant pool of what-ifs and could-bes. Anya's indecision eventually led to regret and bitterness. She watched as her peers achieved their goals, while she remained trapped in a cycle of self-doubt and missed chances. Her story served as a stark reminder that while choice can be challenging, indecision can be even more destructive. Both Ethan and Anya's stories illustrate the power of choice. While Ethan's choice led to adventure, growth, and fulfillment, Anya's indecision resulted in regret and missed opportunities. The key lies in finding a balance between careful consideration and decisive action. As the old adage goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Sometimes, the most important thing is simply to choose a path and start walking. Please like and share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good time.